Hi everyone, I wanted to share with you a really quick video. This morning I attended a really good networking, I say networking, it wasn't even networking, it was more like a workshop, and it was called How to Recession-Proof Your Business in 2019. Now it was hosted by my business coach Blake Sergent. He's a performance coach and he shared some really valuable takeaways and information that you can apply in your business right now. And I'm going to go into detail in those that are in the S Academy in coming videos, so don't worry about that. But on an overview, what are the 5 levers? Because he was talking about how it is possible to grow percentage of your business even in tough times by more than 55%. So first of all, we were discussing about leads and breaking each aspect down, so how you can get more leads, which is one of the first levers. Then take that into consideration, how can you convert those leads? So how can you increase your conversion even by just 5% will have a massive overall effect in your business down the line. Other aspects to look at was that's obviously going to result in sales, but how can you increase the frequency of how maybe your clients spend with you or how often they buy your products? Like, what systems do you have in place for that? Because ultimately that's going to bring you to your spend and your entire turnover. But the bottom line is how, by looking at your turnover, maybe places where you can save a little bit of money, different aspects on cost savings, asking for reductions in rents, for example, and just looking at other options. I mean, I remember when I went through the recession the last time, one of the first places I looked was places to look at cutting costs. And I looked at how much my bank was actually charging me to have a business bank account. And then when I looked around, there was banks that were much cheaper. And I think I saved myself, I remember thinking at the time, you know, it was like 1,000 or 2,000 dirhams, so anywhere between sort of £300 over the course of the year. And if you look at that in so many different areas, it can make a huge saving, because ultimately what you want is great profits. So it was a really interesting workshop. I loved it. It was great to have a real life example. Lucy, also being coached by Blake from Plug Communications, a digital marketing agency, she shared some really great ways how she'd taken Blake's advice and put that into basically practice and how it actually resulted for her. So more videos coming soon, but it was an overview of what you can look at when it comes to just, you know, going out there and attending courses and learning. You know, sometimes it's just one nugget of information that can actually change your entire business. So I hope you picked up something there, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and of course give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching this video. Below, leave a comment. We love hearing from you and answer to every single one of you. And of course, if you want to receive notification immediately when we release a video, then hit the bell button. Share with your friends, and until next time, be inspired and follow your dreams.